Hey guys, you guys are back with Video Model and my name is Matusha. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a little tutorial on how to apply false lashes. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be going through each step to achieve your false lash application, and I know how much of a struggle it is to apply your false lashes. I also did struggle so much, like literally I've been doing makeup for like 2 years, but 2 or 3 months ago I kind of mastered it, I would say. I'm still not an expert, but I think I mastered it on myself. It could be very tough applying it on others compared to yourself. So let's hop into the video and hopefully you guys learn some tips and techniques to apply your false lashes. So the first step for a lash application is applying mascara so that it will blend with the lashes when you put it on top of your lashes. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes Mascara. So what I like to do to apply mascara is I always tilt my head up and then I look down so that the wand doesn't get at the bottom or the top, and you just apply like this. So I'm done applying the mascara on this eye, and this eye hasn't been applied yet. So the mascara makes your lashes voluminous and it upward sloping, and what happens is that when you apply the lashes, it already has like a grip so that it doesn't go downwards, because sometimes your eyelashes can be downward sloping, and when you apply the lashes, your lashes will fall with your lashes. So what this does is that it gives a grip to the lashes when you apply your false lashes. So I'm gonna do the other eye too. So step 1 is complete. Now let's go to the lashes part. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the extension bar lashes in the model of Vixen. It's such a beautiful model. To start off, never apply the lashes the way it comes in the box, because it's not made for your eye shape. So the first thing to do is adjust the band to your eye shape. So these are the lashes. Such a pretty model, I love it, but this size is definitely not your eye shape size. It could be for some, those that have larger, wider eyes. You basically want to put the inner corner of the eyelash, like let's say halfway from your pupil to the inner corner of your eye. You would basically see what's sticking out from this edge. Looking up helps in the mirror so that you can see what needs to be cut. I need to cut approximately that much so that it fits my eyeball. Be very, very gentle when cutting it. That's how much you need to cut. So I pretty much just took this much off from the eyelash, and that part can make a difference, because sometimes when you apply lashes, it can hurt your eyeball so much due to the fact that the band is long and it's just not meant for your eyeball, and it can be sticking and poking you the whole day. So now we got 2 lashes ready to be applied. These are the lashes. So next, what you gotta do is get the glue. So the lash glue is very, very important. Definitely try getting a brand that's actually well known for its glue. So like for instance, I use the House of Lashes glue. This is like the best glue I personally tried. My personal opinion. I did try the Ardell ones. They're not as sticky as this one. Like this one's magic. Let me show you how it's done. If it focuses, you apply a tiny bit along the band. Like a tiny bit, like a thin coat. That's the glue that you need. That's all you need. So that's the amount of glue you need. Literally, you don't need more glue than this. And what you have to do is you wait for it to dry, and the way that you would know with this specific lash glue is that it gets bluish green. Once it's that color, you can definitely apply it on your lashes. So once again, apply a thin coat like this. One thing I could emphasize is to focus on the edges, like the inner corner eye and the outer corner eye, to put a little bit more glue than the middle, because those are the parts that tend to come off during the day when you apply lashes. So we got this lash ready to go. So it's like a bluish greenish tint to the glue. It was white before initially. You make sure that the lash is upward sloping while applying the lash. I like starting with the inner corner so I know that the lash is starting at the right point. So I put it in the inner corner, and then I press it against the lash line, and I continue to adjust it along the other eyelash line. I put it and I aligned it against my lash line, and now I'm gonna secure it. And how I secure it is I like to press my lashes with the false lashes upward. I do this motion so that my lashes at the bottom push in front of the false lashes, because you want the lashes to be on top at the back edge. And then after applying it, I just like to push upward like this so that the lashes look voluminous. And this is the lash application for one of the eye. Let me do the other eye too, since this one's dry as well. So since it's greenish blue, we can continue. So same concept for the other eye. Start with the inner eye corner, adjust where you want it to be applied first, and then you see how it's sticking out. What I like to do is I press against the top lashes as I continue, and after I do that, like before, the same thing, I go in a motion where I bring my real lashes in the front and I push back my false lashes. So make sure you press every section back, because sometimes when you press one side back, it could be that that lash side is already voluminous, and like make sure to emphasize the inner corners, because those are the ones that tend to fall flat when applying lashes. I really hope that this was easy to follow. I hope you guys do follow this, like try it out, definitely give it a try. It could be that this might not be your technique, but it's definitely a try. You can basically practice and master it. So I hope you guys like this eyelash application tutorial. So I'm actually off next week for school, so if y'all want any tutorials, let me know so that I can film it for you guys. Like I could pre-film, edit later, you know, because I'm gonna be stuck with exams after, you know. So if you guys like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to leave a comment. You guys can leave a comment as to whether you're gonna try this tutorial, if I missed a technique, if you have techniques for my subscribers to see, like just anything, leave it down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more videos. I cannot wait till I'm done school. I'm gonna go full-time on YouTube. So I'll see you guys next time. So bye guys.